Hey guys, it's Robert with RV Weekends, and I'm heading to the Florida RV Super Show. Stick around. TLRV truck topper. First thing, you got storage right there. I like that storage. Looks like a water heater, and here's a fridge. Let's see here. Little baby fridge there. Storage. There's your kitchen, sink, stove, no oven, microwave oven, control center, air conditioner, bed. There's your dinette tabletop. You got USB ports up here, yeah. Very cool. A little small traveler toilet. So that's what this place is missing, is a shower bathroom. Get what you pay for now. Very cool. Storage above the dinette. All right. All right, that was $22,900. This was $22,700, so you get a little less here. Oh, this one has a toilet. The 610R has a toilet. There's the black tank valve. And looks like your bathroom's right here on the left. Yeah, got a wet bath here. I don't see the toilet. I guess that's just gray water then. Tiny baby fridge here. Little baby fridge. Little baby dinette. Air conditioner. And your cooking area. Stove top with an overhead vent. Here's a little flyer. Travel light truck camper. Floor plans. Check them out.